The rain pouring down, reaching my fingertips, dripping down my spine. Puddles on the earth, surrounding my feet, comforting my toes. The soft snapping sound of the rain, hitting the ground, windows, roof, relaxing me as I read, as I get away, protecting me like a shield, as the thunder cracks and booms together with the lit up sky, the dark clouds covering all above, wishing water upon everything below, water that not all have, until the storm comes. When the storm comes, some cry and scream and run away, some dance and sing and roll around, some sit and watch and listen and breathe, enjoying what is brought upon us like a gift, a blessing. Puddles being created for jumping in, flowers drinking for growing big and bright, people drinking for growing big and bright, animals hiding under shelter, watching the strings of wetness falling from the sky. The strings that turn into droplets once fallen upon something, almost drum-like sounding upon the tin roof above, slowing down until it is no longer, slowing down until the light once bright is now brighter, thunder still raging on. June 13th, 2015.